Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Google account you will change and why. This prevents accidental data loss. First, back up Google Drive, photos, and contacts. Make sure sync is complete. Once done, verify your recovery email and phone on the existing account so you can approve security prompts. Now open accounts. Google. Com on a browser or the Android Settings Account section. Sign in if prompted. These prerequisites let you perform the change smoothly and avoid lockouts during the process. Next, add the new Google account or modify details on the existing one. On a phone, go to Settings Accounts, add Account Google, or in a browser, sign in and use account preferences to rename or change data. If moving data, use Google Takeout to export or share Drive folders and transfer ownership where supported. Make sure you save any two-step verification backup codes and reauthorize apps so services keep working after you switch accounts. Finally, remove the old account from devices if you no longer need it, using Settings Accounts or Account. Google. Com security settings to sign out remotely. Then verify sync status, re-log in to Gmail, Play Store, and any subscriptions tied to the account. Update payment and subscription settings if necessary. If you encounter access problems, use the recovery phone or email to receive codes or run Google's account recovery flow. One key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.